Hello guys! Let's learn some colors today. Brown color, pink color, yellow color, dark blue color, orange color, red color, light brown color, green color, the gray color, blue color, forest green color. Let's learn to draw some shapes. Let's draw a pentagon. This is a right angle triangle. Now we are drawing a star. This is a star. Let's draw a triangle. Heart. This is a heart. Let's draw a semicircle. Semicircle. Let's color these shapes. Pink color, green color. Let's fill the color. Green color. Gray color. This is a gray color. Purple color. This is a purple color. It's a beautiful bright color. We are filling the triangle with purple color. With ash yellow color now. It's a bright color. Brown color with the brown color. Pentagon, right angle triangle, star, triangle, heart, semicircle. Please like, share and subscribe. Bye bye.